At Marsh, we're talking about B2B industrial revenue growth. Lead generation is a really important topic because it sits at the intersection of the four pillars of my overall revenue effectiveness framework. Successful lead generation requires clear and appropriate strategy, great manufacturing marketing, effective and accountable industrial sales, and the right technology to optimize the buyer experience and boost sales efficiency. Every company I talk to says they need more leads, they need more meetings. And so in the industrial space, the typical answer is another trade show. Now, of course, trade shows remain an important lead generation tool for industrial manufacturers, and they've got value beyond just lead generation. It's a branding opportunity. You can often meet with longtime friends, contacts, and customers. And sometimes buying teams who are in the final decision stage actually come to a show specifically to compare vendors side by side. That being said, trade shows are just one lead generation source. Companies should have a lead generation strategy that incorporates multiple tactics, including old-fashioned outbound sales, regular prospecting, inbound or content marketing, referrals and introductions, networking, sales channel, trade journal advertising, social media ads, of course, more LinkedIn than TikTok, partnerships, customers moving from one account to another. All of these are viable lead generation opportunities. But there's one common mistake that kills an amazing flow of leads. That's lack of follow-up. It's really mind-blowing. In my experience, I find that normally less than 30% of leads are really followed up on, regardless of the source. Good lead follow-up means an agreed set of standards for how quickly and how many touches of what types using what channels. That will naturally vary by lead type, by the quality and the lead source. So you also need a common terminology. For instance, what's a qualified lead versus a suspect? You need lead scoring. You need great Salesforce automation, sales acceleration, and CRM along with marketing automation. And you need a system for tracking, measuring, and accountability. I'll drop a link below where I go into all of that in more detail. But here's a pro tip, or a hot take you may say. Start invoicing your sales reps for the leads you assign to them that are not followed up on. At least according to your agreed standard. You should be tracking what a lead source costs you per lead with the all-in cost divided by the number of leads. So you know the number. They expect you to provide them leads. When you do, you must expect them to optimize everything they can out of those leads. And if they fail, invoice them. Maybe the first couple times as a wake-up call, and then deduct it from their commissions. I call lack of follow-up a surprising mistake because most business leaders with whom I chat can't imagine what's really going on. It is. I see it in company after company. Nothing else matters if lead follow-up is shoddy.